online solicitation stings, legal, or entrapment. Good morning and welcome to VS News Desk. I'm Anna Summersett, and here's a look at legal news making headlines for March 22nd, 2021. 6 people were arrested in Tarrant County on Friday by undercover investigators posing as minors. The detectives used personal ads and social media to communicate with potential suspects about having sexual relations. The suspects were all charged with online solicitation of a minor. This is a serious felony in Texas that occurs when an adult communicates with a person under the age of 17, or someone the adult believes is under 17 and has a sexually explicit conversation, sends a sexually explicit picture or video, or asks to meet the minor to engage in sexual contact. Online solicitation is generally a third-degree felony, punishable by 2 to 10 years in prison. However, it can be a second-degree felony, punishable by 2 to 20 years in prison if the alleged victim is under the age of 14. To many, the most surprising fact about this offense is that suspects are often arrested and charged, even though they never had contact with an actual child, nor communicated with an actual minor. In fact, most online solicitation charges stem from an undercover officer posing as a minor in a sting operation, using a website or app to lure in the suspects. That's precisely what happened last week, which was a joint operation between the Tarrant County Sheriff's Department, Arlington Police Department, and the Texas Department of Public Safety. Many people charged with this crime want to argue entrapment, or that they were set up by undercover detectives. That's simply not a viable defense. The police themselves are not engaging in illegal activity. And in September of 2015, the Texas legislature made amendments to the law and established that it's not a defense if the actor never intended for the meeting to actually happen. In other words, mere conversations with an undercover agent are often enough for a criminal charge. Most importantly, the police are allowed to lie during these investigations. For example, if a suspect asks the person on the other end of the chat if they are a police officer, the officer can and will lie and say no. Additionally, suspects never have to leave the home to meet up with the victim in order to be identified. Officers can obtain internet service provider records to determine the suspect's identity and location. That's it for VS News Desk, the place you turn to for the latest legal news. For more information, be sure to read our VS News Desk blog on our website, versus texas.com. I'm Anna Summersett, and thanks for watching.